Click the Horti Guru app to enter the control system. Click the device to enter the operation interface. Click Programming to enter the programming setting page. Click to add timeline program settings. Enter program name and click Confirm. Set the number of channels and channel color. First select the channel name, and then select the color to increase the channel. Select the channel name, and then click the Delete button to decrease the channel. Click plus to add growth stage. Click dash to delete growth stage. Long press here to set growth days. Brightness, CO2, temperature, and humidity, and other parameters. After the setting is complete, click to return to the main interface. Click to select the time and slide to set the brightness of the light. We set the light here from 20:00 to 08:00. Step 1. Select 1959 to confirm. Adjust brightness to 0%. Step 2. Select 2000 hours to confirm. Adjust brightness to 100%. Step 3. Select 2359 to confirm. Adjust brightness to 100%. Step 4. Select midnight to confirm. Adjust brightness to 100%. Step 5. Select 8 o'clock to confirm. Adjust brightness to 100%. Step 6. Select 8:01 to confirm. Adjust brightness to 0%. After setting, you must click Send to save. Pop-up successfully issued is OK. Back to the program page. Click on the program name to run the program. The program name is green when the program is running. Click Auto to view the contents of the running program.